Hey guys, it's Natalie from Mindfully Healthy Living. Today I'm showing you how to make Fire Cider, a powerful herbal tonic for immune support, digestion, and overall wellness. It's perfect for the upcoming cold and flu season to strengthen your defenses and have the best of nature's medicine on hand at any time of the year. Fire cider is an old folk remedy made with apple cider vinegar, roots, herbs, and spices. It's been used for decades to support immunity, circulation, and gut health, especially during cold and flu season. Here's what you'll need. These warming ingredients work together to boost circulation, open sinuses, and strengthen your natural defenses. Citrus and herbs brighten the flavor and add vitamin C. Adding raw honey when the infusion is ready balances the spices and boosts antimicrobial support. Be sure to get organic produce and make sure your apple cider vinegar has the mother. Peel and grate your roots. It brings out more of the beneficial compounds. Do as much as you can and slice the rest. Be careful, the turmeric will stain. Chop onions and slice peppers and smash your garlic. It releases the beneficial antibacterial compound allicin. Thinly slice your citrus. When you're finished, add everything to a clean quart jar. Start with your roots and onions, then add garlic, jalapeno, citrus, and herbs and spices. Tucking the citrus and herbs against the glass not only looks beautiful, but also makes pouring easier later. Pour the raw apple cider vinegar over the ingredients until they are completely submerged. This is important. Keeping everything covered prevents spoilage and ensures a full, safe infusion. Seal with a plastic lid. A vinegar will corrode the metal, and you want to give it a shake. Give it a little swirl once a day and let it steep for 3 to 4 weeks. Keep it in a cool, dry, dark place, shaking it daily. This time allows the vinegar to draw out all the beneficial compounds from the roots, herbs, and spices. After steeping, strain the mixture through a cheesecloth. Press down on the solids to squeeze out every drop. That's where all the beneficial compounds are. Now add raw honey to taste. It balances the spice, preserves the honey's enzymes by being raw honey. Local is best, and it makes your tonic easier to palate. Take a tablespoon daily as a wellness shot or more at the first sign of a cold. You can also stir it into tea, add to warm water with lemon, or just use it as a tangy salad dressing or sprinkle it over greens at dinner. And that's it, your own batch of Fire Cider. Simple to make, packed with benefits, and a natural way to support your health this season. You'll find the full printable recipe link below in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know how it went in the comments below. Have a healthy season until next time.